Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular cameras that are creating a buzz in the photography world. We have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50. We'll be diving into various categories to help you decide which camera suits your needs better. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Let's get started. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality with their large sensors and advanced processors. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 sports a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor, providing sharp and detailed images. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor with Digic X processor, delivering stunning results. Whether you choose Sony or Canon, you can expect outstanding image quality for your photography needs. When it comes to video capabilities, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers impressive 4K movie recording oversampled from 6K, ensuring stunning clarity and no pixel binning. It also comes with a product showcase setting that seamlessly transitions focus from face to objects. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 provides 4K uncropped movie recording at up to 30 FPS, thanks to dual-pixel CMOS AFE technology. Additionally, it offers a close-up demo mode that helps swiftly switch focus when showcasing products. Whether you're a vlogger or a filmmaker, both cameras offer excellent video capabilities. Autofocus is a crucial aspect for capturing sharp and perfectly focused shots. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes with a fast Bions X processor and offers reliable autofocus performance. It includes background defocus button to enable or disable defocus effect instantly. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R50 introduces dual-pixel CMOS AFE covering up to 100% by 100% area with 651 AF zones. This allows for precise and accurate subject detection and tracking, including people, animals, and even vehicles, using deep learning technology. Both cameras provide impressive autofocus features for capturing your subjects with ease. When it comes to capturing fast-paced action or fleeting moments, continuous shooting capabilities play a vital role. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 offers continuous shooting at 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain, while the Canon EOS R50 outshines with 15 frames per second using the electronic shutter. Both cameras provide versatility and speed to capture those special moments. Moreover, the Canon EOS R50 offers an advanced A+ assist mode that expands the array of auto-compatible scenes, ensuring even greater expressive capabilities in auto mode. It also features a built-in flash, enabling you to shoot in dark environments or with backlit scenes. These added features provide an edge in challenging settings. And that brings us to the end of this comparison between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R50. Both cameras have their own strengths and are capable of delivering outstanding results. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below about your favorite camera, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.